getting her ready for paint. We're drying it. Then I have to mask it, and then we're gonna paint it, and I'll show you guys how to paint it. And we still have to wait for a new bumper because we just noticed that one was damaged. So it's gonna take 3 to 5 business days. I don't know if I'll be here. I don't know if the build is gonna keep going without me. I'll be pretty disappointed, but it's okay. But right now I'm gonna dry it, and then I'm gonna mask it. I'm pretty satisfied. Got very minimal dust, but it's okay. We're gonna have to wet sand buff it when I come back because I'm not gonna be here. What do you guys think of the black sapphire? Come here. Look at it. Beautiful. Jet black or black sapphire. Carbon black. The other one, garbage. Okay guys, continuing. We got the 7 Series here. I had the bumper painted now. Right now we're gonna put it up on the lift. We got some undercarriage pieces that we're missing. And we're gonna be doing an oil change. So let's get in there. Fire it up. We're gonna be switching the oil from the recommended 0W30 that BMW uses as water. It's terrible for the bearings and everything, so we're gonna be switching it to a 5W50. 5W40 or 5W50 is good. Also helps with oil consumption because the 0W30 is so thin. Let me turn this off. The 0W30 is so thin and it causes bearing wear like more than you would expect, mostly in the summertime. And it's just a peace of mind, I guess. So we're gonna lift her up right now. I'm gonna let it run a little up to temperature, put it on the lift, and then we'll get underneath. I'll show you guys what we're replacing. And we're gonna change the oil. And then tomorrow we're gonna be putting the bumper together, installing the bumper, and then it's pretty much drivable. We just have some little things like the Freon to fill it, and then we're gonna have to reprogram this or program the driver assistance, so because it's throwing like 2 codes for it whenever you configure the sensors for like the blind spot for the braking and everything. But yeah, she's coming out nice. Also, so you guys can see, remember how the skirt was damaged? We repainted it. I'm gonna go grab the other parts and show you guys what we're gonna be changing. So let me go and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so we got them laid out. It's this left side piece right here. I'm assuming where the forklift picked it up. We got these two flaps on the control arms. They're both, one of them is actually broken, the other one's cracked. And then it's missing a jack piece on the back right. We got the oil filter. Let's pick her up. Okay guys, so I got this right side piece. It's just held on by 10 millimeters. Only one screw is holding. Let's do this one. You can kind of see here. So we're just gonna replace them both. The difference of what was missing, and what it should be is this. Guys, I know I did a lot of time lapses, but I didn't have really anything to say. But we're in the fucking 7 series. No fucking way. The unit is back on the road. Would you believe it? Because I don't. I'm happy. I'm going to get some gas right now. Just gonna take it for a little drive. Make sure everything's working. Or at least the stuff that I know is gonna work. Already? It's been a long way. Long journey, but we made it. Drive's beautiful. I'm just gonna put some fuel in it. And that's about it. And then I'm gonna clean it. And then hopefully Nijo will be here by the time he gets to the shop. It'll be ready and he can have a little surprise. Thoughts?
Beautiful.
Are you happy?
Very happy, thank you. I love you.
Ready to cruise your new unit?
Hell yeah, it's about time.
About time? Hasn't been that long. Alright guys, here she is. Final form. Not final form. I think we want to do M Sport conversion in the future. But as for the winter and a daily driver for now, that's how she sits. Definitely gonna need to do a chrome delete, some wheels, M Sport package in the future for sure, so it can look like these. I think Nick is pretty satisfied with the build. He has a new daily. And if you guys enjoyed this build series, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, click the notification bell, and until the next one, we're out.